So in this tutorial, I'm going to just remind you about quarter notes, half notes, quarter rests, how to read do, re, and mi, because you need all of that and a concept of meter for our first white belt to be able to read that song properly. So first of all, if you are a recorder player, this is for you. This is how you read notes. So I have my staff here. Let's get it ready. Okay, now right now I'm putting my time signature, and this top number 4 means that I am going to have 4 beats in every measure of the song. So I can add that up in a bunch of ways. I could have 4 quarter notes. I could have 2 half notes. And the way I know the difference between quarter notes and half notes are quarter notes are colored in, half notes are not, but they both do have a stem. I could have 1 half note and 2 quarter notes. I could have a quarter note, then a half note, then a quarter note. I could also put a half rest somewhere in there, and if I chose to do that, I would have to give that 2 beats as well. So my choices of rhythms are half note, which equals 2 beats, a quarter note, which equals 1, and a half rest, which equals 2 beats of silence. So now, as I'm working, I sometimes like to draw that little code on the top of my paper so I can remember what kind of notes get what. But of course, there's posters and things around the room that you can look at as well. So now, I'm going to start off by drawing in half notes because most of the things in the song are half notes. So first I'm going to start with a mi. So recorder players, your mi goes on the middle line. So any notes that you see on the middle line are going to be a mi. And I mean the middle, like right across the center. So right now I have a half note, which means I'm going to hold down mi for 2 beats. Mi. If I wanted to do a do next, recorder players, a do is on the second line up. So I'm going to make that. So anytime you see that one, anywhere along, it's going to be a do. This is a mi, that's a do. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. And I don't mean I play 4 times. I just hold each one down for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I wanted another mi, what would I do? I would go up here and draw another one on that line. So anytime I see any notes that are up here on the middle line, no matter where they appear in the song, I know I have to play a mi. Anytime I see any notes on that line, I know I'm going to have to play a do. And then re recorders is in this space in between the mi and the do. So anytime I see that, I know I'm going to have to play a re. Remember that you have to add up each measure to 4 because your time signature says you have to. That top number is a 4. So I have half note 2, half note 2, half note 2, half note 2. There's a bar line in between those, so 4 on that side. If I had a bar line here, there's 4 on that side. If I had quarter notes, I could maybe have 4 quarter notes instead because each of those only gets 1 beat of sound. All right, good luck reading. You can watch this as many times as you need to or go back and see it as much as you want. Have fun doing hot cross buns. Bye.